Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys. I did two looks. One is more soft for those of you who aren't into bright shades, and the other one is bolder. So if you are interested, please keep watching. The first thing I'm using is my Fresh Youth Preserve Moisturizer all over my face. Next, I'm going in with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer as my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going in with my Huda Beauty palette and the shade Beige to set it. Next, I'm using the shade Sandalwood in my crease. For the lid, I'm going in really lightly with the shade Flamingo. Then I'm using the shade Shy and going over the crease. After that, I'm highlighting the inner corner using MAC's Soft and Gentle highlighter. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills dipbrow in Granite. For eyeliner, I'm using Tarte Tarteist Black Gel Liner and then a little bit of mascara before I apply my lashes. For primer, I'm using Mercier blemishless primer, and then I'm going in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in light beige. To apply my lashes, I'm using Duo Glue, and the lashes I'm using are Ardell Wispies. For concealer, I'm going back to that same NARS one I used earlier and applying that for the under eyes. Then I'm setting it with my Mercier translucent powder. For contour, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in light to medium. Then I'm going over that with my Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And for blush, I'm using Too Faced in Justify My Love. Then I'm just doing some bottom lash mascara. For highlighter, I'm using the same one I used earlier, the MAC Soft and Gentle. And for setting spray, I'm using Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. For the lips, I'm just using Vaseline as a base, then I'm lining my lips using Huda Beauty Lip Liner in Bombshell. And for the lipstick, I was going to mix the two, but I actually liked the way the pink looked on its own, so I used MAC Saint Germain. So that's the first look. It's more soft and subtle, and I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. But if you're like me and you love playing with color, then you'll definitely enjoy the next look. For this one, I'm basically just going over what we did earlier with brighter shades, and for that I'm using the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. The first shade I'm using is the bright pink one, and I'm taking that and packing it on the lid. After that, I'm going in with the shimmery purple shade and applying that right in the crease. So that's the final result. Sorry I wasn't able to get much footage of the second look, but I do have photos that you can check out on my Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share it if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.